Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by preparing the minimal tools: a printed eye chart or a phone app, a ruler, and a chair at a measured 3 to 6 meter distance. You remove corrective lenses so you measure your natural vision. Once set, you position yourself straight, mark the distance, and dim the lights a bit to reduce glare. This improves detection of true acuity. Make sure one eye is covered with a light occluder or your palm without pressing, and get ready to read the chart aloud. You now perform the measurement. Cover one eye and read the smallest line you can confidently identify, continuing until letters blur. Record that line as a common fraction like 20/40 or 6/12, because those numbers tell you how your vision compares to normal. Once done, switch eyes and repeat the exact same procedure. And if you use an app, calibrate distance first and run the test 3 times to average out variability. Make sure to keep posture consistent between trials. You finish by interpreting what those fractions mean. 20/20 is normal. Larger denominators show reduced acuity, often due to refractive error. Once you know approximate eye power from visual acuity trends, use that to decide if you need a formal refraction by an optometrist, trial lenses, or an updated prescription. If results vary between trials, repeat the test in steadier lighting and distance. And if they remain inconsistent or symptoms persist, seek professional evaluation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.